Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're making some DIY homemade rabbit peeps. So I love peeps. I first discovered them when I was in grade 7 in high school and I was like, oh my god, what are these things? They're so cool. And I thought that I'd show you guys how to make the little rabbits on my channel. So these are homemade vanilla marshmallows that taste so good. Oh my gosh. And they are in little bunny shapes. So let's get started. So first you want to pour a third of a cup of cold water into the bowl of an electric mixer and sprinkle the powdered gelatin on top. Let that sit for 5 minutes. Place the sugar and a quarter cup of cold water in a small pot and set it to medium-high heat. Stir until the sugar has melted. Then attach a candy thermometer to the pot and boil the sugar until it reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the hot sugar to the gelatin and stir the mixture by hand whisking for a few minutes to slightly cool. Then beat with an electric mixer on medium-high speed for 8 to 10 minutes or until soft peaks form. Add some vanilla extract and mix until combined, then add some pink food coloring to dye the marshmallow a vibrant pink color. Generously coat a 9x9 inch baking pan with some cooking spray and coat the bottom with a generous layer of pink sanding sugar. So pink sugar is definitely granulated, and if you would like it to be a thinner, not as chunky, just pop the sugar in a food processor and pulse it a couple times, and that'll break up the granules and make it a little bit finer. Because they're gonna coat the entire surface of the marshmallows. So just based on how you want the mouth feel of the marshmallows to be, either leave the granulated sugar nice and granulated, or you can blend it and to make it, or you can pulse it down, process it down to make it a little bit finer. But either way, you want to sprinkle that onto the base of the pan, then pour the marshmallow on top and smooth the surface. Generously coat the top of the marshmallow with some more pink sugar and gently press it to stick to the marshmallow. Then allow the marshmallow to set overnight. And if you find that the surface of the marshmallow is getting a little bit dry while you're waiting for it to fully dry, just place a sheet of plastic wrap on top, because you do need the marshmallow to set overnight just so that all of the marshmallow starts to stiffen up. But if the surface is getting a little bit crunchy, cover with saran wrap and then wait until it's done drying. So wait overnight, and it will be nice and soft and won't be crunchy on any outside sides or anything like that. Then you want to use a rabbit-shaped cookie cutter to cut out rabbits from the marshmallow and coat the other sides and in between the little ears with more pink sugar. Then pop these on a baking sheet and use some black decorating gel to create the eyes and nose, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I learned today that after making them yesterday, that you do want to decorate them with the black gel right before eating or serving, because when you leave them overnight, the black gel kind of starts to spread and it looks like they were broken up with, and they cried all the mascara off their face. So just to warn you. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you're notified when my next video goes live, which is tomorrow, because I upload every day from Monday to Friday. I love you guys so much. I hope you're loving my Easter videos, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.